You want to make money but you can't find any way to make money online? Please keep watching this video until the end, as I'm going to be showing you best applications to make money online using either your smartphone or laptop. Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media, and today's video I've got for you best 4 applications to make money online using your smartphone or your laptop. And the reason why I chose these applications is that they pay high amount of money and for a short time. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you step by step, showing you how you can log into them and how they work. So if you're new to this channel and you would like to learn how to make money online, improve your video quality, and grow your YouTube channel, please, I insist you to hit the bell button, subscribing, enabling the notification button so that you can always be notified and you can always be the first person to watch my future videos that I will be uploading. So let's get into the video.
So our first application that you can make money online is Carine. This Carine is very easy to use because you just share your internet connection and then you keep on gaining some money. You just make sure that your internet connection is stable for you to gain some money, because it runs in the background. You don't have to complete any tasks, you don't have to complete any surveys, answer some questions, so it's just very easy to use. And here, just scroll down. They are saying that your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for our business clients, as well as the number of users in your area. So it depends at the number of users in your area, and even the internet stability, and even your location, the place where you are. But there isn't much to do. There isn't any much to do, like completing some tasks, doing some work, no. And they are showing you that there is a promotion that if you join Carine now, you receive $5 for free. So this $5 is for registering. You don't have to pay any amount to start. You don't have to invest any money for you to start. You just start now, even if you're blog over. So it is very easy to use, and to download it, because here I am using PC, that's why you are seeing the download for Windows. And if you're using your mobile phone, you're going to go to the Play Store and download it. Or if you have your iPad and you're going to download it. The options are going to come on how you're going to download it. So let me show you how you can register to it. Click on register. So you might want to sign up. So you're going to fill your information, your email, you create a password, and then that's showing you that $5 will be added to your account. It means that is the startup money that they are going to give you. It's a promotion. So if you already have an account, you're going to log in, and then if it's your first time, you're going to sign up and then get this $5 for free. Our second application is PiToProfit. This is my favorite because they give you some tasks, you play some games for you to earn some money. Then you can see if you want to log in or to sign up. You click there. Then if you are using your mobile phone, you're going to click on Google Play to get it on Google Play Store. So you can earn some cash just by, you're seeing here they show you that you download some application and you earn some points. So these applications that they tell you to download, there are some of the tasks that they give you before earning that money, and then when you earn points. So after earning those points, for you, what you're going to do, you will go and convert those points into cash. So, and then you can see that you redeem your points for aware some rewards. But I have told you that you will change the points to cash. So let us check out if you want to sign up, what you do to start earning some points. So you enter your email and all the information, and then you sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or whatever you want. So then that's how you sign up, start using these feature points. So the third one is the Savvy Connect app. So also this one, it's somehow different because it has only the surveys that you have to complete. Let us check here how it works. So you read through, but how it works that you have to complete some surveys so as to earn some money. And if you have a mobile phone, you go to Play Store and download it, or you might want to download it if you are using desktop. You click here on download and download it now. So, and the good thing at this one is that you get more from every device. It doesn't matter how many devices you connect. You might connect it like 20 devices, but even on one email but on different account. I'm showing you that get more from every device is also be connected on your smartphone, desktop, and tablet to earn $5 per device each month. So this one you earn $5 per month using this Savvy Connect because you're connected to every device. Maybe if you have many devices, that's the more money you add. And if you want to install it, you go on download now. If you have an iOS, you also do that. So let us see to sign up how it is done. You click there on login. So if you want to sign up, you click there on login. You fill your email, you add your password, and you click on login, and then you follow the instructions for you to enter the Savvy Connect. So I think it's pretty good and cool because you have to add many devices as you have if you want to add more, even using one email. So it's very nice. So the last and the best application you can use both for mobile and for the laptop, this is the PiToProfit. This one is very nice, but it is quite used as honey game because it also runs through the internet access. They are showing that share your traffic and profit on it. If you share your internet, you leave your internet on for it, it's going to work, and then you keep on gaining some coins, and it's for free. So it's also, as I have told you earlier, it's determined to earn more money or to earn more coins. It depends on which location you are in. So if you're in the good country, because they are down there showing you which countries, because here Canada it works best. But if I go here in Russia, you can see that they are not good there. You can see here traffic demand for network type. So here you can see very low, low, medium, high, very high. So if you're in these places, it can work best for you. So it depends also on your network stability, how stable your network is. And they're showing us the top users by earnings per month. These ones the showing us the money that some people earn. So you can go there and log in and start.
Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you a lot, and if it did, let me know down in the comment section below. And if any of these applications that I have given you helped you best, let me know also, for me to continue giving you more updated free applications to make money online that can help you gain more money and improve your passive income as well. So let's meet in the next video, and if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell button for you to receive my videos or to be notified whenever I upload any new video about how to make money online. And let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.